got cows in the middle of the road. How is it?
Wow, that is so good.
I told you those might be the best. Definitely some spectacular views. Almost looks like it's in the clouds. We've been driving about an hour now. We're here in the Sighnaghi municipality. So we're about to check out Sighnaghi. We got a little bit of a late start because the place that we're staying is owned by a guy who makes wine. He's been making wine for 30 years, and he offered to give us a wine tasting. So of course the wine tasting turned into five or so glasses of wine, as well as some cha-cha. Cha-cha is like vodka, I would say. It's not vodka, but similar to vodka. So he had some homemade cha-cha and some homemade wine, and so we sat there for him with probably 6 or 7 hours. And it was pretty cool. This old Georgian man. He lived in both Georgia and the Soviet Union in Moscow. He was an architect, so he told us a bunch of stories. So it was super cool. Anyways, we got a late start, but we're ready to go to Sighnaghi. We're ready to go to Sighnaghi. All over the country, we've seen these video surveillance speed signs. So it's like a lot of these roads are really slow. It's like 40 kilometers an hour, and you can easily go a lot quicker than 40 kilometers an hour. But they have a ton of these little tiny speed traps. We really haven't seen too many police. Look, there's also these speed traps with the cows in the middle of the road. Old heifer. Anyways, there's all these speed traps all over the place. We haven't seen many police running radar, but there's a ton of these speed cameras all over. So I'm assuming that if you have a rental car, they'll send something to the rental car company, and then we'd have to pay a bunch of tickets. Oh, there's another one. Those things are just wild. So we've been driving for about an hour and a half. We made it to our first stop, which is St. Nino's Convent Cathedral. This is a Georgian Orthodox monastery. It was built in the 9th century and was actually converted into a hospital by the Soviets, but has since been converted back into a convent. The view here across the valley is absolutely stunning. You can see for miles. We're going to go down here to this area. It's a little bit quieter. There's not as many tourists here, and check it out. The monastery complex is free to enter, but we did have to pay a little bit for the parking. There are a ton of monasteries in Georgia, and this one is definitely worth visiting.
We're eating lunch in Sighnaghi, and we got this tomato and cucumber salad with oil, and it's really good, very fresh.
We also got some kinkalis with meat and some roasted potatoes that's coming out. And I got a lemonade. And Haley got Coke. Got this great view.
Doesn't get much fresher than
How is it?
Wow, that is so good.
I told you those might be the best. We're in Sighnaghi right now, headed to the Sighnaghi wall. What do you think of the view?
It's pretty good. Nice view, nice day.
It's a beautiful day out. We just had the most awesome meal that we've had our entire time here. It was this little tiny local place with this little tiny lady that cooked everything, and it was super fresh. It was only $10. Gotta love the $10 meal. We're at Sighnaghi Wall. Had to take the sign. There's a sign that says the tourist track. That's where we're going up the tourist track to climb across the wall. Hopefully see a spectacular view. No, I think it's right here. Some treacherous stairs here.
Pretty high up already.
Yeah.
Like a little... Oh wow.
Ooh.
Right?
Yeah.
Wow, look at this. It's like there's views
Forever.
Safety first.
It's a little scary. Walking down the wall right now. It's this absolutely incredible view.
It's nice.
Yeah, it's really nice.
It is pretty touristy here, but I would say this is worth it.
There's literally tour buses all over the place.
Pretty cool.
What you think? Right now we're in this like castle thing, I guess. Inside the wall. It looks like there used to be some stairs that go all the way up, but
Yeah, you're right.
this is the gate that all the cars go through for Sighnaghi. It's pretty cool. There's a street with all these little tiny shops on it. We pulled over to get a great view of Sighnaghi. Overall, it was a great city. Definitely some spectacular views. Almost looks like it's in the clouds. This city has views for days. It's dirt. Alright, that's how you get in. No dirt, maybe a little bit. Actually, a good bit on my shoe, but not quite successful. Maybe next time. Alright, onwards and upwards, baby. Peace out, Sighnaghi. Peace out, Sighnaghi.